particularly let's talk about a building, right, where we do a lot of the magic in the built space generically. But if you take a building, let's just take a typical office building. Um, the office building obviously lives in a jurisdiction, right? It might be in Singapore, so the Singaporean government has some jurisdiction over the area in which the building lives. There'll be a building owner, and they may own just the physical plant. The building is often managed by another company that does the facilities management. Um, each floor might be rented out by a different tenant company. That tenant company then has employees and customers who transit the space to use it for their daily activities. If I'm measuring details about that physical space, then I have to recognize that every one of those entities has some viable ownership stake in the information that I'm collecting. And what I have to do to be less dystopian about this is provide what I think of as radical visibility, right? Radical transparency about that information, to recognize that a piece of information is about Takatoshi, and then give you the tools to see the data, see in real time what's happening with it, and then give you the knobs and dials so that you can express your individual policy about what that data should be used for and what it shouldn't be used for. And I think that concept of recognizing individuals' private data policies, doing it at real time, doing it at high speed, so that we can keep doing these AI data-driven goals that I think are really important to society, but still respect the individual rights that I think must come along with that ownership contract.